everybody else on the block and has been getting out, doing good stuff. A couple people had little incidents here and there, but thank goodness, with all the good weather we've had riding, no one's gotten hurt. It's the worst thing that hurts my heart. It hurts to see bikes get torn up or smashed up or whatever, but in the end, it's the riders that I care about. It's sitting dead right there. There's a kitty. Oh, poor kitty. It's a black cat too. Oh, well, I'm not gonna pick that thing up. I just hit that groundhog. Holy fuck. I don't know if y'all saw that. He only caught my tire a little bit. I'm gonna pull over up here. Make sure there ain't nothing fucked up. I doubt it. It's better safe than sorry. Things that happen when you ride, man. Like I said, he only really kind of on the tire. So, little bits and some poo there. As long as there's no meat. I don't think I cut him up. I wasn't going too fast. We just started off from that light. Main thing is I get those guts up on that pipe, man. That's gonna start stinking. And well, shit happens. Just talking about earlier, stuff's been happening to people, and there it goes. There's something with me. Little groundhog action. As long as I'm not going really fast, I've sadly hit a lot of small animals like squirrels. But as long as I keep it straight, don't slam on the brakes, don't do anything crazy. They're small like that, you'll run up over them, run back this way. Feel bad for the little guy. Skirting along the edge there, I could see him. He looked like he was just wanting to keep skirting along the edge, but he didn't. I don't see him. Well, that's good. Well, I'm hoping that didn't hurt him too bad. Feel sorry for the little guy. Bike's okay, so c'est la vie. That's his life. Whew. Did get my heart rate up a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Did get my heart rate up. Well, I was just thinking back there after the groundhog hit. The other day, the last time when I brought my camera on the bike, when I got the GoPro here, the guy in front of me, a freaking groundhog ran out in front of him. I think there's a plot going on here. Avenger Groundhog.